y'all. Hey, it's your girl Felicia, and I'm back with another wig review. Yes. This time I'm coming with a wig from Premium Lace Wigs. I know that y'all been seeing some wigs from there all over YouTube, so I decided to buy a wig that I didn't see any reviews about. Okay, so stay tuned to hear about the pros, the cons, the details, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, don't forget to click subscribe. So if you want to know more, and if you want to see more, see, I got this cute little look. Stay tuned. Okay. All right, y'all. First things first, let's talk about the deets. This is their Brazilian lace front wig. The title's gonna say 18-inch color 1B number 30. However, I got it in 16 inches and it reaches me about mid chest length. And my back, it reaches me a little bit below my bra strap. What else about this? With the cap construction is 13 by 4 inches. The hair density is 100%, 130%. All right, come on now. The texture I got it in is Italian Yaki. Zoom in so y'all can see that. And the lace color that I got is a medium brown, which I think is really close to my complexion because I hardly put any makeup there. And lastly, it comes with an adjustable band, which is pretty cool. But next, let's talk about what I think about this hair. All right, y'all, so let's start off with the pros. The pros are the color is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't want to order another black wig or another dark brown wig, so I really wanted to order something. Actually, I wanted to order another wig that had the color block in the front and then a little bit of ombre going on, but I was too scared that it just wasn't going to look good on me, so I figured the safer route was to order a wig that had highlights. And when I went on Premium Lace Wigs and I saw this wig and the price, oh, also the price, everything came up to $130. You can't beat it. I feel like my camera's giving it justice, but the color is absolutely gorgeous. Secondly, the texture is nice. I don't know if I would call it an Italian Yaki. I would just call it Yaki, because usually I feel like Italian Yaki is similar to like kinky straight, kinky blowout kind of texture, and this is not that, but it is Yaki. It's definitely Yaki. So those are my pros. The cap, it fits well, it fits nice and snug, but you know, I'm not scared of it being back here by the end of the day. I have like an average size head, so I don't know if it's big head friendly because I didn't undo the bands, but an average size head, yes. Small head friendly too, yes, definitely can get on the small head. Now let's get to the cons. The cons is this hair sheds. So see, now it's not okay. So you know what, maybe it was because I cut the lace. Cause that would, okay, so you know what, all right, time is gonna have to tell. I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated, because now that I'm reviewing it, I couldn't wait to say this, because I in the video you see I'm more like, you know, getting cockeyed and stuff because the daggone hair was shedding into my eyes and everything. So I think it's probably because I did cut the lace and I cut a little bit of strands off, but I didn't pluck it, you know what I mean? Like, even, okay, oh wait, no, all right, so that's not a shedder, but I was trying to figure out why all this hair was getting in my face and getting in my eyes. I didn't like that, but I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to eat my, yeah, no, okay, one strand. After trying to convince y'all that this hair sheds, one strand came out. Okay, so fine, I'm eating my words, I'm taking that back. All right, but the second con, the hair's a little thin, okay? That's why I did a little curly curl in the front to try to make myself feel like I was doing something with this hair. I wanted to just wear it straight down, but the hair is thin. Even, okay, let me try to get in the camera with this. I don't even know what y'all about to see, but I feel it. Let me see, can y'all see it? I don't even know if you guys can or cannot, but why is that track just chilling out there like that? Let me, because I want to know if it's showing. Oh, okay, it doesn't show, but the fact that I feel it makes me so self-conscious. So it doesn't show, but I can literally feel one of the tracks under it. And my hair didn't burn off. That was nothing. I was scared because I'm like, this hair, why is the wig so thin? I was scared it was gonna burn off like it was synthetic hair when I was using the daggone hot comb. But other than that, I'm pleased. You get what you pay for. Okay, 16 inches, colored hair, textured hair for $130. You cannot beat that. And so far, I'm truly pleased. The shedding has subsided, so, and the thinness, I'll be able to work with it. It's not the thinnest thing in the world, but I was hoping that it was gonna be a little fuller, but I have to say this looks absolutely natural on me. Oh yes, honey. Okay, so why don't y'all tell me what y'all think, okay? Make sure that you leave a comment below, but most importantly, don't leave without subscribing. Let's be friends. Stay a while. Take off your jacket. Take off your wig. Come on. Okay, and tell a friend and a neighbor and a sister. Okay, all right.